Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. The PIL has been filed by a lawyer Shashank Shri Tripathi Stop. He has alleged that there is widespread, continuing, and unchecked violations of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 and the Central Motor Vehicles Rules, 1989 by delivery personnel engaged by various e-commerce, food and service platforms operating in the national capital. Stop. During the hearing, Delhi government's counsel informed court that to meet the issues raised in the PIL, a policy has been framed and notified on November 21, 2023, titled the Delhi Motor Vehicle Aggregator and Delivery Service Provider Scheme, 2023. Stop stanza. The plea states that there is a need to ensure that systematic and hazardous transportation practices by the e-commerce companies are immediately curbed and that statutory obligations regarding road safety and vehicular compliance are strictly enforced. Stop. It has been consistently observed that delivery personnel employed or contracted by respondent number 4 to 13 are routinely using two-wheeled vehicles to transport oversized, bulky, and excessively heavy items, including industrial toolkits, foldable furniture, and commercial sized delivery boxes. Stop. These loads often exceed the permissible dimensions and weight limits under Indian traffic regulations, compromise the stability of vehicles, obstruct the vision of riders and endanger public safety. Stop. Furthermore, the plea contends that various notices and representations were written to the companies and authorities respectively, but the response has either been completely absent or wholly inadequate. Stop. It further avers that the delivery ecosystem in urban India cannot be allowed to evolve in a regulatory vacuum that endangers the lives of delivery workers, commuters, and pedestrians alike. Stop. The petitioner, therefore, prays for urgent directions to the respondents to comply with the law, adopt enforceable delivery safety standards, and ensure that their operational models do not incentivize or necessitate routine violations of statutory transportation limits. Stop. It was argued that Section 59 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988 empowers only the central government to prescribe the age limit of motor vehicles. Stop. The petitioners argued that they have fundamental rights under Article 19 and 21, which are infracted by the unworkable restriction imposed by the state government. Stop. The petitioners contended that there is no statutory liability on driving schools to conduct driving tests or to provide vehicles for the test. Stop. Conducting driving test is the statutory duty of the state. Stop. Vehicles of driving schools are used only by way of convenience, stop. It was also argued that the installation of dashboard cameras are not required either under the central motor vehicle rules or under the state rules. stop. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM पे। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for more dictations. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.